Odoo ERP helps you to easily plan your usual flow of activities. So you get reminded of what needs to be done and schedule the next activities to undertake. So when you plan activities, you minimize the risk of uncertainties as you provide clear directions for the course of your next action. In addition to that, you reduce the chance of having overlapping actions between team members. So in this video, let's see how we can schedule activities in Odoo 15 Sales. When you open Sales, you can find all the quotations. So these are my quotations, and when you close this, you can find all the quotations and sale orders. So this one is a list view, and let's create a new quotation. Confirm it. So you can see it is converted to sale order, and below you can see an option to schedule activity for this quotation. So if you wish to plan a meeting with the customer, then you can just click on the schedule activity and add the activity type. Like if you're planning to send an email or planning to conduct a meeting with the customer or to make a call or to set a reminder, like this way you can find the different types of activities and you can choose one among them. So let me add meeting. And if you open calendar, you can view the calendar view. From there, you can choose a time and add a meeting subject. You can again click on this and edit the details. Here, it's possible to create a video call. So you can see the link of the video call. We can also send email or SMS. So here we can view the meeting time, that is meeting date and time. So you can change it from here. So by default, it is set for half hour. You can change it. Then you can also send notification or email to the attendees of the meeting. Here we can add more attendees. Then you can set organizer of the meeting. Then location and tags to categorize the meeting. And here we can add a detailed description. And if you want to have this meeting every day, you can enable this all day option. So let me save this. And here when you come back, you can see the meeting planned. Meeting is planned with customer deco. And it is organized for the user James. Here we can view the meeting detail. If you click on this information, you can view the activity type, create a date. Then here we can view the due date. So this activity will be due in 23 days. Like this way, you can plan multiple activities. So just click on schedule activity. You can view the call. A call is planned, which is due in 2 days. And here, if it is done, you can click on this mark as done. And it's also possible to cancel a meeting. So this is how we plan activities inside the form view. That is, this is our quotation form view. And from here, we can plan activities. In the same way, you can schedule activities from the list view. Here you can find a field, next activity. So here for this order, you can see
an activities plan meeting with customer deco, which is due in 23 days. So we can also edit it from here. And if you want to schedule more activities, just click on this schedule an activity and click on schedule. So here we can see there are 2 planned activities for this sale order. And it's also possible to track overdue activities by looking at the color of the planned activities. Here we can view there are some activities which is overdue. So these activities are indicated in red color. So the team leader or manager need to take immediate action to avoid revenue loss due to failure of those actions. And if you find any activity in yellow color, it means that some actions need to be done today itself. Like here, if I plan an activity for today, you can see it is indicated in yellow color. Activities shown in green color are those activities that have been planned for coming days. So no need to get worried about them, but should have an idea about those planned activities. And the same way we can plan activities from Kanban view, calendar view. And here you can see option to view all the planned activities. So from this view, you can view all the activity types, and for each quotation, you can view the planned activities. And if you want to plan new activities, just click on the plus option. And you can also plan activities from this page. Like here you can see a plus. So just click on this plus and you can schedule new activity. So for this quotation, you can see I have planned an activity reconciliation request. And in Odoo, it's also possible to create custom activity types, like under configuration. Here, just click on activity types. You can view all the existing ones. And in order to create a new one, just click on the create button and here provide the name of the activity type. And here we can choose an action, that is action that may trigger specific behavior, which can be opening a calendar view or mark as done when a document is uploaded. So you can choose an action, then set a default user for this activity type and a default summary. Then here we can set icon, decoration type. It can be error, alert, or if you don't want to set a decoration type, you can just leave it empty. And here we can set next activity. That is, it is possible to suggest next activity for this activity type. Like it can be an email, call. So you can add multiple, that is, you can suggest multiple activity types. And it's also possible to trigger next activity. That is, you can trigger a new activity after this activity type. And if you want to send email, then you can set an email template here. Then this schedule field allow us to plan action deadline. It can be some days after previous activity deadline or after completion date. You can schedule after some days, weeks or months. Then here we can add default note. Now here if you plan an activity, you can view that activity type that we have just created and you can see the default summary added and the default user. So you can see activities created. So that's how we plan activities in Odoo 15 sales.